Hi, good morning, investors. If you're planning to invest this year, 2025, magbibigay lang kami ng insights ng disadvantages and advantages na pwede nyo i-consider. And yes, we are aware naman sa nangyayaring supply and demand ngayon ng real estate since nawala na yung mga POGO. Kami kasi nag-offer kami with different projects like in Makati, BGC, McKinley Hill, McKinley West. Kaya honestly, ramdam talaga namin yung demand ngayon regarding sa sales namin na merong mga huminang demand and mas malaking demand on a different location based on our statistics and inventory. Kaya ito ang pinakamagandang tanong. Why will we invest this 2025? But first of all, magbibigay lang ako ng maliit na tip pero sobrang halaga. Na number one is know your agent. Kasi syempre along the way, sila yung aasikaso ng investment nyo.
Sir,
kaya,
papirma po.
Okay.
Sir.
Hey there! Have you ever noticed how prices keep going up? Let's see this. For example, back in the year 2000, a well-milled rice price was around 15 pesos per kilo. But today, that same rice was around 55 pesos per kilo. And not just food, but also real estate. Back in the year 2017, a studio unit at San Antonio residence ranging 3.7 million. But today, in 2025, a studio unit ranging 7.3 million. So what's going on? Why do prices keep increasing? Actually, there's one big reason for this. Inflation. When the price of the things keep going up, actually, it makes the value of money going down. How we can take advantage of this situation? Wise purchasing, such as buying real estate. It will not only beat an inflation, but it will give you income through Airbnb or rental.
Okay, book mo na to ha.
Sige, sir.
Yung pang kagandahan, pag yung agent mo, trustworthy. Kasi syempre, asikasuhin ka hanggang sa dulo. Hindi lang yung sa oras na nag-reservation kayo.
The second reason why you should invest in real estate this 2025 is location.
That's right. When it comes to buying real estate, it is often said that the three most important factors are location, location, location. But do you know why? It is because that the condition of a property can change, but the location never will. Speaking of condition, you have to consider as well investing in RFO projects.
Yes, ready for occupancy units will be your third reason. You know why? Because it offers you transparency, potential rental income, and immediate move-in.
Dagdag ko lang din, check nyo rin kung ano yung pinagkaiba ng pre-selling sa ready for occupancy.
Future development. That is the fourth reason why you should invest in real estate this 2025. Paano yun? Kapag mag-i-invest kayo ng condo, dapat i-make sure nyo na malapit yan sa mga future development like build, subway, skyway, or kaya naman yung bagong building ng Senate. So, that's it.
Alam niyo ba ang panglimang reason bakit kailangan nyo mag-invest ngayong taon is dahil sa flexible payment terms. Imagine, mag-invest lang kayo ng 2 or 5% down payment ay makakamove na kayo. At sa sobrang liit ng monthly amortization nyo, para na rin kayo nagre-rent. That is why we have a rent-to-own payment terms.
Real estate offers significant advantages, particularly through price appreciation in both developed and developing areas. We are excited to present properties that are not only ready for immediate occupancy, but also strategically located in prime areas. If you have any questions and would like to learn more, please comment down below. Thank you.
Alright. Hi again, investors. Maraming salamat at pinanood nyo yung vlog namin. Until next time. And sana kung meron tayong mga pwede pang isuggest na reasons why na mag-invest tayo this 2025, please comment down below para matulungan din natin yung mga nagpa-plan pa mag-invest. And we are Team Uprising from Megaworld RFO.